Hello, this is Michael Quatrini, and I'm here to talk a little bit about veterans' disability benefits for Legal Tip Tuesday. As many of you know, we've talked about Agent Orange conditions in the past. Basically, if you had one boot on the ground in Vietnam, in country, the VA presumes that you were exposed to Agent Orange. You don't have to prove that. The only thing that you'd have to do after that is prove that you have one of the conditions that medical science has already told us, and the VA has already acknowledged, are actually connected to Agent Orange. Well, on January 29, 2019, a Federal Circuit Appeals Court in D.C. just dealt the VA a blow and a big victory for veterans. What the court determined was it wasn't just a boot on the ground that deserves that presumption. They are now going to be providing the same presumption to any veteran who served on a ship within 12 nautical miles of the landmass of Vietnam. That's huge because up to 90,000 veterans currently in the process and that have appealed before, have been denied before, will now get a new crack at showing that they should be entitled to the same presumptive status as those that had a boot on the ground in Vietnam. Now, the VA has the opportunity to appeal this case to the U.S. Supreme Court. Most people believe that they actually will not, and we'll be back in a few weeks to update you on that. The good news, though, is that with the type of decision that the VA just received, this is a big victory for veterans, many thousands of veterans, and hopefully will be a good end of the story for many of their appeals at the end of the day. Thank you.